Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Bhavesh Bellara, welcoming you to Just Don't Read. First of all, I would like to thank you all for giving such a good support on our first two videos. That is what inspires us to create more new videos. So here we are again, back with another video. Displays are probably the most important part of the phone and they are the most vulnerable. Like, I have seen so many phones in US that have displays like these and like these. So I hate when a display is cracked. So today I'll teach you how to apply a tempered glass on your display. I'll be doing it on an iPhone X, but the procedure remains the same for any phone. If you like this video, share it with your friends, hit the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you know whenever we post a new video. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So as I said earlier, I'll be using an iPhone X for this tutorial. The procedure remains the same for any other phone. Here's a tempered glass that we'll be applying, and here are two wipes that we'll be using to clear the screen. So, but you can use anything to clean the screen, not necessarily these wipes. It could be any cleaning agent or maybe cloth, but just make sure that your screen is dust proof, fingerprint proof, and there are no smudge marks on it. So here we'll go nice and easy with the wet wipe first. We'll do the same with the dry wipe, and again you can do this with any wipes, not necessarily a dry or a wet wipe. Just make sure that the screen is good. So here we go, the screen looks nice, and now we can apply the tempered glass. Do note that the colored side of the label is the side that will go towards the screen. So first we'll place the tempered glass on the screen, so it looks nice. And yeah, now we'll peel off the label, and again again remember that the colored side of the label would go on the inner side. So now we'll place the bottom edge of the tempered glass with the bottom edge of the screen, and that's how we'll go about from bottom to top. So here we go, and don't worry if you mismatch the edges, you can again remove it and align the edges again. So yeah, so now we'll apply the pressure evenly and make sure there are no bubbles. And yeah, so everything looks good here. As you can see, the tempered glass has been applied perfectly and the screen is at most responsive. So yeah, this tutorial works for any phone or any tempered glass as well.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope so you liked it. If you really liked it, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon. Leave a comment about what tutorial would you want us to do next. Share it with your friends, and this is how you apply a tempered glass to your phone in less than 3 minutes. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon because we will be back soon. But until then, just don't read.